Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my home. I hope you're all doing well, you're all safe and in good health. Happy St. Patrick's Day if you are celebrating, and we are coming up with tablescapes for you to get inspiration from. Unfortunately, I didn't have any related items, so I had to turn to DIYs. I spent £1 on the foam board, glittery foam board from Hobbycrafts, and I bought bunch of flowers, white roses from Tesco. That cost me £3. So in total for this tablescape I used only £4 and a lot of imagination. My vase is from the range store. You can still buy it. I forgot how much I paid, but it's very versatile. You can put your decor items, candles, faux candles, real candles. Probably I haven't tried although with real candles. You can use it as vase, and as you can see I'm using it with some green fruits to go with my theme. I found some ribbon that was in the bottom of my stash, and I thought it would be perfect addition to my table. I had some green fabrics. I used a Google image template to cut out these shapes, and they are perfect for this theme. How people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. Mirror charger plates are from IKEA, and I bought it as wall mirrors. It just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. I cut out clover shapes out of the foam, glittery foam, and I'm just placing over my white napkins. This video is part of a GLAM Squad collaboration together with my 3 beautiful friends. After watching this video, please do visit Anne's and Ellen's channels. Unfortunately, Tammy is not going to be participating in this week due to health reasons. And I wish Tammy a speedy recovery and sending my hugs and love all the way from England. Let me light the candles and I'm going to show you the reveal. Link to the playlist will be in my description box. Don't forget to visit Alan's and Anne's channel to see their tablescapes. I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out a notepad and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on